Hello mga Lods, tuloy tayo mga Lods. God is always everywhere. When it comes to precepts, words, and power, especially in spirit, by great acknowledgement from God. So you cannot perform very well without great acknowledgement. So when God said, "Let my people go," it means to say that is the great concern to His people as royal family plan of God. So it means to say, serve and to protect and defend the people, or protect and to serve and defend. So yung sinasabi ko noon, kung ma-discern ninyo kung sino yung gagamitin ng Diyos na anghel o hari na greater or more than Solomon, you must to protect and serve and to defend, to maintain the lighthouse of God here on earth. The kingdom of God is represent the lighthouse, the stations of both the heavens and the earth. So kasi yung anghel na yan may access sa langit, is greater than 100% communication. Mas malakas pa sa internet yan. Kaya hindi nyo pwedeng pagmalaki yan, pagmaliit. Kaya wag nyo rin pagmalaki.